In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to pick a new default font style and size for the email composer so your messages look the way you want every time. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left-hand side panel. This is the vertical menu where you see your folders and labels. If the panel looks collapsed, hover over the edge or expand it so you can see everything clearly. Next, find the area labeled Folders on that left panel. Right next to Folders, there's a small gear icon. Click that gear to open your mail settings. If you don't immediately see it, try moving your mouse over the folder's header. Icons in Proton Mail often appear on hover. With the settings open, focus on the sidebar on the left and scroll down. You're looking for the section called Messages and Composing. Click that to view all the options related to writing and formatting emails. On the Messages and Composing page, scroll down until you reach a section labeled Composing. This is where Proton Mail groups the preferences that affect how your message editor behaves. In the Composing section, locate the option called Composer Default Font/Size. This is the control that lets you set both the font family and the font size your emails will start with, so you don't have to change it manually for every new message. Click the drop-down next to the font to select a new font style. Pick something that matches your tone and is easy to read. Clean sans serif fonts tend to look modern and are great for general communication, while serif fonts can feel a bit more formal. Choose the one that best fits your usual emails. Right next to that, open the size dropdown to select a font size. If you're not sure where to start, a medium or slightly larger size is often the most readable across devices. You can always come back and adjust it later. As soon as you make your selections, Proton Mail saves your preference automatically. Look along the bottom of the screen for a brief confirmation that says Preferences Saved. There's no separate save button to press, so once you see that message, you're all set. That's it. From now on, when you compose a new email, the editor will use your chosen font and size by default, helping you keep a consistent, professional look without extra clicks. If you ever want to change it again, return to Messages and Composing and update the Composer Default Font/Size the same way.